This pan balance will be used to measure the mass of the blue car that rides on a track for the experiment that we're going to do, and the mass of a weight carrier, so that you can use those numbers in calculating the dynamics that you're going to measure. So I'm just going to first zero out this balance. You notice it's out of balance right now. It's below zero on the mark, and that's done by adjusting this little extra weight out here on the end. So we just add a little weight until it comes up close to zero. Doesn't have to be super precise. Lots of basic physics here. Gravity working on both sides of this lever so that the two forces, the mass on the right and the mass on the left, balance out to create no net torque on the balance arm. Now I'm going to put the cart on here, and you'll see it's very much out of balance. And then I'll add mass until it is heavy on the right. It's too much, not enough. And then do the same with the next level of mass. Too much, almost right, not enough. And then we'll slide this one over until it just balances. Just try to get it to the nearest gram. We'll be fine for this. There we go. And it's the sum of the three numbers there. That's 256 for the mass of this cart. And then we'll do the carrier. So I'll put the cart aside, put this on there, and it's, of course, much less massive. So let's try to back this all the way over. That's even too much. So you have to be careful that the mass like that one has to be in the notch so that it is in the right spot. And then we have it there. That's 0, 50, 1, and there's a little bit more, but we won't worry about that. So just 51 grams for the mass of that. Some manuals will say 50 grams, which is also close enough. There's an interesting thing here. I'll just note this little vein right there is used to dampen the motion. It creates an eddy current that slows that down. So that's in the electricity and magnetism part of physics. So there is gravity, angular momentum, and then mass measurements for our experiment. A little bit of electricity and magnetism all in this simple example.